welcome to Wesley and Vincent. And today we are making grilled sticky rice. You see, it is like this.
Green and sticky rice.
So I'm gonna show you how to make it. But first we need to taste it. Right. Good. I think it's very good and salty. Okay. Need the materials is salt, sticky rice, and a plate. Okay, so first we're gonna put some sticky rice, and then do it like this. Help me, Vincent. Okay, and then do it more. No, we're just leaving like this. Okay, now it's finished, and now we're gonna put some salt. Yeah. Okay, so we can make it any shapes. So we need to make it like can be any shape. What shape do you want, Vincent?
Rectangle.
Okay, so mine is finished. Okay. So the next step is to put it on the fire. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're gonna put it over here. Gonna do it like this. Okay. This way, and then wait for it to turn yellow. It's not yellow yet. Guys, it's now yellow. So we need to put the egg. Yeah. We need some egg. Okay.
The last one.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Guys, now it's finished. Okay guys, now it's finished and this is my breakfast. So we need to test my hard work. Hey, you didn't get to test? No, me test first. You didn't do the hard work. Okay, you can cook. Delicious. And we have some orange juice. So that's all for today. If you want to make like me, go do it by yourself. And today show you already. So this is all. And thank you for watching. Bye.